My father and my stepmother don't like my coming over.
Anton Chekhov's The Seagull is about a young writer who is desiring both love and respect from his actress mother, who is an egocentric, and she also has a young lover, 15 years her junior, who is also a writer. So there creates this competition between Constantine for his mother's love and this writer. The writer ends up sort of taking, or he does take, Constantine's girlfriend, Nina, a girl from across the lake, a simple country girl, and the novelist writer takes her under his wing and basically ends up ruining her life. And Constantine's life and his relationship with his mother also ends up in the shambles.
In my view of the characters, Nina very much loves Constantine, but she realizes that it's more of a friendship kind of love and more of a deep connection rather than a romantic sort of love. And she finds that romantic sort of love with Trigorin instead of Constantine.
She leaves me for a famous guy.
These characters are just tough. They got a lot of stuff going on and have some dysfunctional qualities, and bringing that to life and bringing that to realistic life is always difficult.
Saying no, hear her, because I don't buy that you're hearing. You got to hear her, right?
Also, when Anton Chekhov wrote, he considered this play and many of his plays comedic. And the comedic quality comes out of actually in just watching people behave the way they do in life.